Hello, my name is Elvira Ordonez. I am 47 years old. I am married. I have a son, 26 years old. I just came back last year. I worked for a Chinese family for over 20 years in Singapore. I love cooking. I can bake. I can cook Chinese food, Western food, or any other Asian food or Western food. I can easily follow a recipe that is given to me. I am very cheerful person. I am very happy person. I am flexible. I am hardworking. I am trustworthy. I am loyal. And I can work with other people. I don't mind. I also can take care of children. I can take care of elderly. And I can take care of the house. I really hope you will consider me to work with your family. Thank you.